Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork in the oven using an easy method. First, select a suitable cut of pork, such as a loin or shoulder, which cooks beautifully in the oven. Next, pat the pork completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a delicious, crispy crust. Finally, season your pork generously on all sides with salt, black pepper, and any other desired herbs or spices for maximum flavor. Now, let's get that pork roasting to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius to ensure a consistent cooking environment. Place your well-seasoned pork on a roasting rack set inside a baking pan. This allows for air circulation, promoting even cooking. Roast the pork for about 25 to 30 minutes per pound, adjusting for thickness and desired doneness. Knowing when your pork is perfectly cooked is key. Use a reliable meat thermometer to check the internal temperature, aiming for 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the meat, making sure not to touch any bone. Once it reaches the target temperature, remove the pork from the oven. Resting it for 10 to 15 minutes allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful result. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. After resting, slice the pork against the grain into desired portions. This helps maintain its tenderness. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of side dishes, such as roasted potatoes, steamed green beans, or a fresh garden salad. This easy oven method delivers a flavorful and juicy pork dish every time. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.